Welcome to Study Loop.
Now let us see here, in this problem as shown in the figure, it is given there is a homogeneous disk of mass 2.5 kg and radius 80 millimeter rotate at constant rate of 50 radian per second with respect to arc ABC, which is welded to the shaft DCE. Knowing that at the instant shown, shaft DCE having angular velocity 12 radian per second and angular acceleration 8 radian per second square. Calculate the couple must be applied on the shaft DCE to produce this acceleration and corresponding dynamic reactions at D and E. Let us start solving it. Angular velocity of the shaft is given. Angular velocity of the disk we can find omega 1 I cap. So angular momentum of the disk about center A Ix omega 1 I cap Iz omega 2 K cap. Angular velocity of reference frame Cxyz is omega, which is omega 2 K cap. So rate of change of angular momentum of the disk about A, it will be HA of the reference frame Cxyz plus omega cross H. Substitute the value. It would be I by omega 1 J cap Iz rate of change of omega 2 K cap plus omega 2 K cap cross Ix, sorry, I by omega 1 J cap Iz omega 2 K cap. Here I have a correction. This is I by omega 1 J cap. I have written wrongly in equation 1. Simplifying it, you will get rate of change of angular momentum about A. You may write minus I by omega 1 omega 2 I cap plus I by rate of change of angular velocity omega 1 J cap plus Iz, rate of change of angular velocity omega 2 k cap, say equation number 2. Sorry, we can here substitute the value of moment of inertia. Then I will say equation. So it can Iy will be mr square by 2 omega 1 omega 2 I cap mr square by 2 omega 1 j cap plus mr square by 4. This is equation 3. Now we will discuss the kinematics and dynamics of the disk by drawing the free body diagram. Let us see here. Y-axis, Z-axis, X-axis, disk, D point, E point, C point, EX, EY, DX, DY, MO. In this direction, it having the normal reaction MACX and MACY. This value is L. This is also L. This is V and this is C. Now let us say velocity of A point. Velocity of the disk A can be written as omega 2 k cap plus position vector RAC. So it can be written as omega 2 k cap RAC is BI cap minus CJ cap. So you will get C omega 2 I cap plus B omega 2 J cap. This is the velocity of A point. Now acceleration of A, rate of change of angular velocity omega 2 k cap cross RAC vector plus omega 2 k cap VA vector. Now substitute the value of VA vector. So you may write acceleration of A to B C omega 2 minus B omega 2 square. I have written it directly. Substitute the value. Then you can substitute. So it can be written as omega 2 rate into RAC. RAC is BI cap minus CJ cap plus omega 2 k cap BAC omega 2 I cap plus B omega 2 j cap. On simplifying, you will get acceleration to be C rate of change of omega 2 minus v omega 2 square I cap plus v rate of change of omega 2 plus c omega 2 square j cap. Now summation of fx to be mass into acceleration. So it can be written as dx I cap plus dy j cap plus ex I cap plus ey j cap is equal to mass into acceleration of A. Substituting the value of acceleration, so you may write m c rate of change of omega 2 minus v omega 2 square I cap plus v rate of change of omega 2 plus c omega 2 square j cap. So we can write dx plus ex to be mc rate of change of omega 2 minus v omega 2 square and ex sorry dy and dy plus ey you may write m into v omega 2 rate of change c omega 2 square. Now moment of couple about E point summation of me he plus rae cross ma that will be plus ra is vi minus cj plus lk cross mass into acceleration. Now substituting all the value 2lk cross dxi plus dyj plus mok is equal to rate of change of angular momentum at A plus m vl rate of change of omega 2 minus cl omega 2 square I cap plus m cl rate of change of omega 2 plus vl omega 2 square j cap plus m v square plus c square rate of change of omega 2 k cap. Now substituting the value of rate of change of angular momentum HA from equation 3. This value you have to substitute from equation 3. Remember it and simplify it. I am not showing the calculation here. We can write directly 2L dy I cap 2L dx j cap mo k cap to be m minus half vl omega 2 rate of change minus CL omega 2 square I cap plus M CL rate of change of omega 2 plus VL omega 2 square J cap plus M V square plus C square rate of change of omega 2 K plus H dot K from equation third mr square omega 2 omega 1 I cap half mr square omega 1 J cap 1 by 4 mr square omega 2 K cap. Now on simplifying this equation and equating the x by above equation to be simplified by equating coefficients of I cap, J cap and K cap. Finally, we can write MO to be M R square by 4 plus V square plus C square rate of change of omega 2. Say equation number 4. Dx is equal to M upon 2L R square by 2 rate of change of omega 1 rate of change of omega 2 minus VL omega 2 square and Ex M upon 2L minus half R square rate of change of omega 1 Cl rate of change of omega 2 minus Bl rate of omega 2 square 5 6. Similarly, dy you will get M upon 2L R square by 2 omega 2 omega 1 Bl rate of change of omega 2 plus Cl omega 2 square and last Ey M upon 2L half R square by 2 omega 2 omega 1 omega 2 plus Cl omega 2 square. Substituting all the values given data already given above, I am writing again that you have to substitute and solve for mass of the disk 2.5 kg, radius 0.08 meter, value of V 120 millimeter, that is 0.2112 meter, C 60 millimeter, that is 0.06 meter. L 150 millimeter, that is 0.15 meter. Omega 1 50 radian per second. Omega rate of change of omega 1 is 0. Omega 2 12 radian per second, and rate of change of omega 2 is 8 radian per second square. Substituting in equations 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So using 4, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All these parameters you have to substitute. I am here only writing the direct result. I am not showing here calculation. I am directly writing the values only. Moment of couple you will get 0.392 Newton meter. K cap. Dynamic reaction D you will get minus 21.0 I cap plus 28 Newton J 28 J cap Newton, and dynamic reaction E will be minus 21 I cap minus 4 J cap Newton. These I have not shown here calculation that you can easily solve. Only substitution is there. So I don't think there would be any problem. Thanks for watching it.